friends, welcome back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. Today I will show you my CVS couponing haul on Sunday, March 14 to Saturday, March 20, 2021. I'm so excited we have so many freebies this week, and these are all digital and printable coupon deal. So let's look at the first deal. So my first deal, it's Colgate Oral Care deal. Spend $12 on Colgate toothbrush or mouthwash and get back $6 ECB, and buy 2 Colgate and get back $5 ECB. This one it's unadvertised deal and they have limit 2 per household. Buy 4 Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste is $13.96. It's $3.49 each. Also you can buy 1 Colgate Optic White mouthwash, it's $6.59. Also in this transaction you can add Colgate mouthwash, it's $5.59. Altogether the totals come out $26.14. Use one $5 of $25 Colgate Oral Care CVS CRT. Also I use $1 of Colgate toothpaste coupon, 1 I use the digital and another 3 I use the printable coupon on coupon.com. Also you can use $1 of Colgate mouthwash coupon. I use 1 digital and also I use 1 printable coupon. I just pay $15.14 and get back $10 ECB for Colgate toothpaste and get back $6 ECB for mouthwash. The final cost is free plus 86-cent money maker. The next deal, it's cosmetic deal. If you have this $7 of 35 CVS CRT, you can do this deal all together. I buy 1 Milani setting spray, it's $10.99. Also in this transaction, I buy 2 CoverGirl Brow Pencil, it's $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Also I buy 1 Maybelline pencil, it's $4.99. Also in this transaction, I buy Maybelline Fit Me blush, it's $6.49 each. Altogether the totals come out $35.45. I use $7 of $35 cosmetic CVS CRT. Also I use $3 of CoverGirl eye coupon. I use 1 digital and 1 printable. Also we have $2 of Maybelline coupon. 1 I use the digital and also I use the printable coupon. I just pay $18.45 and get back $5 ECB and get back $6 ECB plus and get back $5 ECB for Maybelline. Plus we have $3 beauty reward. The final cost is free plus 55-cent money maker. If you have this free cosmetic CVS CRT, you can stack with this deal, but in this card I don't have this CRT. I use another card and do this deal. The Milani cosmetic deal, spend $10 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. This is my second card. I buy 1 Milani matte stain lipstick, it's $9.99. I use 1 free cosmetic up to $5. It cut $5. I just pay $4.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal, it's Neutrogena cosmetic deal. Buy 2 Neutrogena cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Neutrogena Wipe 21 City, it's $14.58. But make sure you can buy on the cosmetic section. Use $3 of Neutrogena Makeup CVS CRT. I also use $3 of Neutrogena Face coupon. I use 1 printable and also I use 1 digital. I just pay $5.58 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus 42-cent money maker. The next deal, it's Sik razor or refill deal. Buy 2 and get back $10 ECB. I buy 1 Sik Hydro Sik 3 razor, it's $10.29. Also, I buy 1 Sik Pivot Ball razor, it's $10.79. Altogether, the totals come out $21.08. I use $5 of $20 any Save Care CVS CRT. Also, I use $3 of Sik Woman digital coupon. Also, I use one $3 of Sikh Men digital coupon. I just paid $10.08 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is only just 4 cents each. The next deal is Clairol hair color deal. Buy 2 and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. I buy 2 Clairol hair color, it's $16.98. I use one $5 of 2 Clairol digital coupon. This one it's glitch. Also, I have one $5 of 2 Clairol printable coupon on coupon.com. This coupon is no longer available. I just pay $6.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is only just 99 cents each. If you have any CRT of this color, you can stack with this deal. I don't have any CRT with this deal. Irish Spring body wash deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 3 per household. It's on sale $3.99 each. I buy 2 Irish Spring body wash. It's $7.98. I use one $3 of 2 Irish Spring CVS CRT. Also, I have another $2 of 2 Irish Spring CVS CRT. I just paid $2.98 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is only just 49 cents each. The next deal is Speed Stick deodorant deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $6. I buy one Speed Stick men deodorant. It's $3. Also, I buy one lady stick. It's $3. Altogether, the totals come out $6. Use $1 of 2 Speed Stick CVS CRT. Also, we have today 50 cents of men Speed Stick digital coupon and 50 cents of lady Speed Stick digital coupon. I just pay $4 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is $1 each. The next deal is Garnier Fructis shampoo deal. Buy 2 and get back $2 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $7. Buy 4 Garnier Fructis shampoo 22 FL OZ, it's $14. The bigger size is also included the part of this deal. Also, you can use one $4 of 14 Garnier shampoo CVS CRT. Use one $3 of 2 Garnier digital coupon. This coupon is glitch. Also, I use two $3 of 2 Garnier printable coupon on coupon.com. I just pay only $1 and get back $2 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1 money maker. The next deal is Garnier facial care deal. Buy 2 Garnier facial care and get back $5 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. I buy one Garnier Green Lab serum. It's $22.49. Also in this transaction, I buy Garnier Micellar towel $7.79. Altogether, the totals come out $30.28. I use one $6 of $25 Garnier facial care CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $5 of Garnier Green Lab serum CVS CRT. Also, I use one $4 of Garnier Green Lab digital coupon. Also, I use one $2 of Garnier Micellar CVS CRT. Also, you can use one $2 of Garnier facial care digital coupon. I just pay $11.28 and get back $5 ECB plus $3 beauty reward because it's $30. The final cost is only just $1.64 each. The next deal is household deal. Spend $30 and get back $10 CVS gift card. They have limit 1 per household. I buy 2 L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay Cleanser. It's $15.98. Also in this transaction, I buy Neutrogena Skin Balancing Cleanser. It's $10.99. Also, I buy one Neutrogena Cleansing Towel. It's $7.49. Altogether, the totals come out $34.46. Use one $5 of $15 L'Oreal Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, I have one $4 of $15 Neutrogena Acne or Facial Care CVS CRT. Also, I use one $3 of Neutrogena Instant Coupon on printed this week. Also, I have one $3 of Neutrogena Cleanser CVS CRT. And I use two $2 of L'Oreal Facial Care coupon. I just pay $15.46 and get back $10 CVS gift card plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost is only just 61 cents each. The next deal is Cadbury egg, mini egg or Hershey's candy deal. Buy 2 and get back $1 ECB. They have limit 1 per household. It's on sale 2 for $2. Buy 2 Cadbury mini egg 1.5 OZ, it's $2. Use $1 off 2 instant coupon printed on last week. Pay only $1 and get back $1 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Remedy Dermatology Lotion deal. Buy 1 Remedy Dermatology Lotion 3 OZ, it's $4.99. Use $5 of Remedy Dermatology CVS app only coupon. I just pay nothing out of pocket. The final cost is free. The next and final deal is Cetaphil Cleanser deal. Buy 1 Cetaphil Cleanser 2 OZ, it's $4.39. I have won $4 of Cetaphil Facial Care CVS CRT. I just pay only 39 cents. The final cost is only just 39 cents each. So friend, this is my this week's CVS couponing haul. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you.